Welcome
to
Fridge.
Ham.
We
are
sorted
food.
Today.
Oh, we're going to continue going?
Yeah.
We are going to try
a
different
battle.
This
week
we
battle
hard
with
burger!
Yeah!
It's crazy to think we've not done this yet, but you guys have been asking for it. It's a burger battle. As ever, the three guys will go head to head to head to conjure up their winning burger recipe. We've also asked them to brand it as if it was their own fast food pop-up. And I've seen our Amazon account. There's costumes involved.
Welcome to Burger Man, where our burgers are jam-packed full of superfoods, but we're not getting rid of the thing that makes burgers great. A juicy, beautiful burger in the middle, a beef burger. And these burgers, I reckon, are going to save the day. We start with the burger itself. My burger patties are simple: beef mince, garlic, ginger and turmeric.
Today my battle-winning recipe is a Thai chicken burger. I recently went to Thailand on holiday. It was wonderful. While I was away, my branding was outsourced to Katie. So I'd like to invite her in to the ring to explain her thoughts behind Mike Tyson.
Of interest, what did you come dressed as today?
A blanket.
Do you want to just explain where the name and the concept of Mike Tyson came from?
It's just a pun.
Thank you. Right, so it starts with pounding some chicken.
How are you not doing that with your boxing gloves? The Oxford English Dictionary defines the word depraved as morally corrupt or wicked, which is just a couple of the words that I was called when I put a paella into a burrito last year. So when I came up with the idea for a burger that put a lasagna into a burger, I thought, it's a depraved burger. It starts by making a lasagna.
I can't use my hands. Can I mix some scissors? Can I steal some scissors?
Also, you've called it Burger Man, but is that a bit far-fetched? Small burger boy?
Burger action man.
Burger prepubescent. Cooking with a jacket on is really hard because I keep losing my knife up my sleeve. Look, it keeps disappearing up there.
Which maker is this suit?
It's Hugo Boss.
No. Where is it really? Think about it. No. What,
Come on. What
come
would
on.
it be?
What would this? What would the brand? What would the make of this suit be?
What would you be wearing? What would you be wearing? You are the.
You're the devil.
Yeah.
I'm the devil.
And what does the devil wear?
Prada.
I beat my chicken, now I need to cover it in salt, pepper and oil, ready to grill it, but that's coming later.
Having peeled and diced every vegetable I can lay my hands on, it's now time to actually start the lasagna, and here are the two things that are going to make this special. Number one, pancetta. That is going to add a real smokiness to it. And number two, my beef mince. We're going to make meatballs from it, and that's what's going to form the burgers. We're going to put 3 or 4 of those meatballs inside each layer of the burger.
For the salad of my burger, I've got... What are you doing? I've got some red onions and some superfoods in the shape of kale and some seaweed. I need to blanch these with some boiling hot water. That just smells like a pond, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
If you're going to have a burger, what reason are you going to have a burger for?
Because it's big, juicy and delicious.
Yeah. Do you want me to add some extra seaweed in there for you to make it a little bit healthier for you?
Right, you have your burger. You're going to feel awful afterwards, aren't you?
You're going to feel absolutely amazing.
No, you're not. You're going to lie down and sleep. This, you're going to
because the dolphins
like I've
are
indulged,
released.
The
dolphins are released and
What
you feel
dolphins
happy.
are in your burger?
No, the dolphins in your head.
In my
You
burger.
know, the hormone.
Just
Yeah.
for
Dolphins
clarity,
get released, it makes you happy.
No dolphins in my burger.
Now the majority of my flavour for the chicken and the entire burger is coming from this amazing Thai paste that I have made. I blitzed up onions, garlic, kaffir lime, chilli, lemongrass and galangal, which is like a Thai ginger. It's absolutely delicious. The paste then goes into a pan with some coconut oil and I fry that off. Oh, bruv, smell that. That is so decent. When it gets in your eyes, it hurts.
I've added everything else into the pan to make this into an incredible lasagna. I'm now going to let that simmer for 30 minutes and I can move on to a bechamel sauce.
Tastes like the sea. Avocado. What superfood burger isn't complete without a ton of avocado, yogurt, mayonnaise, and matcha?
If I just do this...
Oh, let me neck. No, stop it. You're tugging the... No, stop! Oh,
No! No! I thought I was doing you a favour, but...
oh, that smells great.
First thing you do with a burger is open it all up and have a look at how the chicken is charred.
What are you cooking that in? Why is there so much of it?
Coconut oil. Healthy, innit?
Let's make a
What are you
bechamel.
doing?
I'm making a bechamel. Apparently, if you add a leaf off a tree, it tastes even better.
Any tree.
Any tree.
Any tree.
Any tree. Is there like a hood? Should this be on?
Is there a hood?
Yeah, there's a hood. Is that...
Little purple riding hood? I don't feel so super anymore.
You're doing well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it all right? Because I can't see it. Yeah, could you just slowly,
Sure.
slowly pour that in whilst I stir?
I'm going to do it bit by bit.
Okay.
Should.
I can feel that getting harder.
I can feel that getting harder.
Okay.
My chicken's charred off in the griddle pan. Now I've sliced mushrooms into discs and aubergines or eggplants into discs, and I'm going to cook those the same way in the griddle pan as I did the chicken.
What are you cooking on that hob?
Nothing!
I just hate him.
He's left his one on and turned mine off.
So right now, I'm halving my brioche bun, I'm covering it in egg whites, and then decorating it with a variety of super seeds.
Which seeds are they?
Pumpkin, bird, and poppy.
Betsy.
I don't know what that one is. It's all in the detail. It's all in the detail.
Chicken, charred, aubergine, charred, mushroom, charred. They go in with my fried off paste, along with coconut milk, shrimp paste, fish sauce, and some palm sugar. And bamboo shoots. And bamboo shoots. I'm going to bring that up to a boil and let it simmer for 20 minutes. So I'm finely slicing some sugar snap peas. I'm going to chop up some coriander and some Thai basil. That sauce is so good that I want to get it in absolutely everything. So it's going in my salad, it's going in my mayonnaise, and hopefully it's permeated my chicken. Oh, that is amazing. That is amazing.
Or onions.
I heard James and Ben talking earlier about only having 2 brioche buns in the building. But also, Barry's finished brioche bun is sitting right there.
Please don't.
And I could really punch it.
Don't flame up on it, Izzy. You're tempting him. Moving it over here. Please don't punch my buns.
So because we're going to be constructing our lasagna manually once it's in the burger, we're going to need to cook off our lasagna sheets separately. pan of boiling water, salted, and we're going to add olive oil into it so the sheets don't stick together. I know, you think it's a myth. This time we actually need it. Boys, what is the single #1 side dish to have with lasagna?
Sweet potato fries.
Or
Garlic bread.
garlic bread. I'm glad you said that. My bun is not going to be just a normal bun, it's going to be garlic bread bun. Because lasagna burger, how else would you do it?
Now, when it comes to constructing my burger, I've gone for bun at the bottom, obviously, then avocado, then blueberries, another amazing superfood. The burger, avocado, some coriander, burger, the salad mix, then some more avocado, because there wasn't enough already, and then finally, my seeded bun.
Now, construction and decoration and making things look good is not necessarily my forte. I rely on flavours. But I'm going to make an effort this time. Let's see how it goes. No! That is a hidden pocket of meat.
I mean, there's some good choices here.
Where do I start? I'm going to start with this.
That is mental.
Just about
that is-
something you can manage to hold.
Yep. A bechamel burger.
When you said lasagna in a burger, you weren't kidding.
No.
Oh, there's meat in the bun.
Look at that! Look at that cross-section!
Okay, it's clever. It's got garlic bread in it. Everyone likes that with lasagna.
That was my thinking. It's the kind of dish that you see on that kind of newsfeed scrolly video and you go, oh my God, that would be amazing. But you're never going to make it. Like, ever.
But you did.
But I did.
The twice baked bread is clever. I like the fact it's a Jamie dish without chorizo or chilli, but what you have got is rich red wine and tomato and proper ragu. Number 2, it feels like you've looked at the 2009 list of superfoods and seen how many you can shoehorn in. Okay.
There's half the bloobs in there.
So you can see the colour.
Why are there blueberries in your burger?
There's seaweed in it!
Spring, summer, autumn, winter. All known as...
Seasons. Is there any salt and pepper in any of this?
Quite a lot.
Is there?
So what's completely throwing me?
Mike, let's try yours. I don't like to be biased, but when I go on holiday and come back, I try and shoehorn it into a lot of recipes. So I like that you've been to Thailand and come back and show me something Thai.
It's gonna be a soggy
A
one.
sloppier cross-section,
But that's why I made a crispy bun.
but you made a coconut curry to go into it, so you expect it to be a bit wetter. The sweetness, there's some in the sauce, but the brioche is the bit that's giving that super sweet. And I like the crunch of the salad.
That is my kind of burger, but that's why I did it.
And do you know what? So much Thai food is a lot hotter than that, which isn't my personal preference, but it's probably more authentic to Thailand. But as a burger, that absolutely delivers. Okay, Barry takes third position.
Yeah, fair.
Jamie takes second, and the Thai chicken burger, if it can be called a burger by definition, is the winner for me today. But you guys also get a vote. So jump in, use the poll, and give each of these guys a vote, depending on which you think would be your favourite superfood lasagna or Thai curry.
Tell us what you think we should be battling over next.
I mean, we've done so much stuff. There's probably not much more we can do.
No, there's plenty of stuff we can still do. It's Sunday, therefore, it's Daddy Joke of the Week.
I've got such a long one for you. Now, obviously, I want to do a dad joke of the week because I think it helps bring on a bit of happiness before a Monday.
Okay, go for it. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this one.
Good. Gina had just got married, and being a traditional Italian, she was still a virgin.
Oh no.
So, on her wedding night, staying at her mother's house, she was nervous. But her mother reassured her. I won't do the accent. Don't worry, Gina. Tony's a good man. Go upstairs and he'll take care of you. So up she went. And when she got upstairs, Tony took off his shirt and exposed his hairy chest. Gina ran downstairs to her mother and says,
What's happening?
Mama, Tony's got a big hairy chest.
I'm not comfortable.
Don't worry, Gina, says the mother.
Still going.
All good men have hairy chests. Go upstairs, he'll take good care of you. So up she went again. When she got up to the bedroom, Tony took off his pants,
Oh my goodness.
exposing his hairy legs.
Oh, Jamie.
Again, Gina ran downstairs to her mother.
This is on the internet
Mama,
forever.
Tony took off his pants and he's got hairy legs. Don't worry.
Oh no!
All good men have hairy legs. Tony's a good man. Go upstairs and he'll take good care of you. So up she went again. When she got up there, Tony took off his socks. And on his left foot, he was missing 3 toes. When Gina saw this, she ran downstairs. Mama, Tony's got a foot and a half. Stay here and stir the pasta, says the mother. This is a job for Mama.
Oh, so it's tenuously a food joke.
It's a food-related joke. Well, everyone seems to be having a great time here. I hope you're having a great time watching this. Have a great week. We'll see you on Wednesday.
People are going to kick off over that.
Sorry.